Are you ready to elevate your dinner game with dishes that are both delectable and nutritious? Delicious and nutritious, healthy dinner recipes is your passport to culinary delight that not only tantalizes your taste buds but also nourishes your body. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll explore a world of mouth-watering, health-conscious dinner recipes that prove you don't have to sacrifice flavor for nutrition. 1. The culinary adventure begins. In the opening paragraph, set the stage for the culinary adventure that awaits. Tease the reader with the idea that healthy dinners can be as delicious as they are nutritious, sparking their curiosity. 2. Balancing flavor and health. Explore the importance of balancing flavor and health in dinner recipes. Discuss how you can incorporate fresh ingredients, herbs, and spices to create satisfying dishes that are also nutrient-packed. 3. Protein-packed delights. Dive into protein-rich dinner recipes. From grilled chicken with a zesty marinade to pan-seared salmon with a citrus glaze, explore how these dishes not only satisfy your protein needs but also provide essential nutrients. 4. Vibrant vegetarian options. Vegetarian dinners can be both colorful and nutritious. Highlight recipes like a chickpea and spinach curry or a grilled vegetable platter that showcase the richness of plant-based ingredients. 5. Wholesome whole grains. Whole grains are the foundation of many healthy dinner recipes. Explain the importance of options like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta, and provide recipes that feature these ingredients. 6. Balanced bowls. Bowl meals are a trendy way to enjoy a variety of flavors and textures in a single dish. Share recipes for nourishing grain bowls, featuring elements like roasted vegetables, lean proteins, and flavorful sauces. 7. International flavors. Explore how international cuisine can be both delicious and healthy. From a Mediterranean quinoa salad to a lean Thai green curry, these recipes offer a global twist on nutritious dining. 8. Desserts with a healthy twist. Conclude with the idea that dinner doesn't have to end with guilt-inducing desserts. Offer sweet yet nutritious options like a fruit salad with a honey lime drizzle or a guilt-free dark chocolate avocado mousse. By the end of this article, readers will not only appreciate the marriage of taste and health in dinner recipes but will also be armed with a collection of culinary delights that promote their overall well-being. Delicious and nutritious, healthy dinner recipes is an invitation to savor every bite while making nutritious choices. It's a culinary journey worth embarking on, where each meal is a step toward a healthier and more delicious life. So, let's explore this world of flavors and nutrients, and elevate our dinner experiences to a new level of deliciousness and health. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.